Hi guys, so I just wanted to do a video to speak mainly on the flow of business. Now, who is this for? This is basically for persons who are already into business, and this is just to bring your awareness as to how you actually participate in business without you knowing. So, the flow of business is this: you have a product or service that will most likely be great, and then you have the consumer. So when you're starting a business, or if you were starting a business, you would need to actually invest some money into doing some research in a product or a service to make sure this is something that people demand, this is something that people want, this is something that people like. And after you have invested that money, you now have to think, how can I get my product or service to consumers? How can I show persons what it is that I have and how it is that they can benefit so they can actually become what you call customers? Here is where more capital is injected in marketing or promotions. Some persons may use ads, some persons may boost posts on Instagram, some persons may endorse. So you would find certain celebrities, if they say, hey, I'm using this, you could get my code, right? And you could go ahead and buy such a product or a service. You find that companies, they invest millions and millions of dollars into just advertising, because again, if my product or service doesn't get to my consumer, then I don't actually make money. I want to share with you basically a new concept where you can basically utilize your own circle. What I mean is that you only buy into things that people have because you know them and you like the product or service. I know a company that is willing to not only train, but they're gonna coach individuals to be able to deliver products and services effectively to the people who they trust. Instead of this company taking millions and millions of dollars and distributing it among people who already make millions, what they decided to do is they decided to distribute their marketing dollars to the regular consumer like you and me. What does that mean? Think about the last time you referred a Netflix movie. Think about the last time you bought something in the supermarket and you told your friend to try it, and because they trusted you, they tried it out. It's simple customer behavior. So what we're saying is we have some products and services that we would like to get out to the public. And what we want to do is we want to give these marketing dollars to regular individuals like you and I. Because you decide, hey, I like this, I could share it. You're able to actually earn money because you just help them to obtain a new customer. Now, think about it. When was the last time you shared something that you liked with somebody who you trusted? When was the last time somebody bought into something that you actually shared with them? You can now actually get paid for things that you do on a regular basis by this particular company. If you're looking for an extra income, if you're looking to become a professional, or if you're already a professional, I know the leadership of this company is only doing something like this because they are dedicated to impacting 1 billion lives globally. So if you like to learn more about these products and services and you want in on some of these marketing dollars, what you're going to do is you're going to send me a DM. We're going to have an interview process so that you could be able to have sufficient information so that you could benefit from these marketing dollars. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am excited that you took the time to view it. I look forward to working with any one of you who are interested in getting some of these marketing dollars. Okay, take care. Bye for now.